Hey guys, so this is the Q&A which I have been wanting to do with all the questions you had for my mum and myself, and finally we have got a whole load of questions here and we are ready to answer them. Are you?
बिल्कुल ready है.
Ready. Right, okay, so first we'll get some answers from here. So what Yolanda asks, what is your mom's favorite non-Indian food to eat when she comes to stay with you? So what do you like to eat?
Fish and chips.
Yes! I love fish and chips too. I absolutely love fish and chips. Good choice. Right, so now the next one is Elisha asks that I love the bond between you and me. The question is basically that how did you teach us to cook? Like, how did you teach me to cook?
नहीं सिखाया नहीं, पर जैसे हम लोगों को खाना खाने का भी शौक था, तरह तरह का खाना बनाने का भी शौक था, तो उसको देखते देखते तुमने
मुझे भी शौक आ गया.
हाँ, फिर जब मैं इतना केक बनाती थी, जब मैंने देखा कि ये 7th 8th में जब जितना पढ़ती थी तो इसने भी केक बनाना शुरू करा, तो मैंने छोड़ दिया कि यही बनाएगी. जब फिर ये चली गई, बॉम्बे चली गई, उसके बाद फिर मैंने दोबारा से अपने आप केक बनाना शुरू करा. तो इसको शौक था, तो ये मेरे को देख के सीखती गई.
Right, so in short, basically, is that she taught me because she was really fond of trying new things and cooking. If she tried something, she wanted to cook herself, and then I got the same interest watching her. And she used to bake like basic cakes, and then once I started baking, she stopped because she wanted me to do it. So it's basically watch and learn. So she didn't really stand up and show me isko aise kaat ke aise banana hai. She didn't do that. I was just so inspired by her cooking basically. Now, very interesting question asked by Tasmin. How did you learn how to cook? Even I don't know that actually. So it's a really interesting question. I would like to know. And what is the first thing you learned to cook?
मुझे बहुत शौक था शुरू से ही, स्कूल टाइम से ही. हम लोगों के टाइम्स तो बुक होती नहीं थी कि कुकरी बुक खरीद के ले आओ और उसको देख के बना लो. तो एक न्यूज़पेपर आता था वीकली, उसमें 3-4 डिशेस आती थी, जिसको मैं कट करके एक फाइल में चिपकाती जाती थी और फिर उसको बनाने की कोशिश करती थी. तो जब मैं बनाती थी तो मेरी मॉम बोलती थी ये क्या कचरा बनाया है, पर मेरे पापा बोलते थे नहीं, उसने बहुत मेहनत से और प्यार से बनाया, तो बहुत अच्छा बनाया. मैंने धीरे धीरे ऐसे करके देख देख के पढ़ के बनाने की कोशिश करी और आगे बनाती गई.
So basically, she was always very keen to try new things, and those days there weren't many recipe books. On Sundays there used to be a paper, and she would cut the recipes, paste it in a book, try it, and her mom used to say, "What is this rubbish you've made?" But her dad used to say, "Oh no, she's worked really hard. It's really nice," and that's how her interests developed. And she still does the same really. Up to still you write recipes from telly, and you know, if some chef is sharing a nice recipe. Yeah, so what is the first thing you made?
फर्स्ट थिंग में
Learn to make.
हाँ, मैंने सबसे पहले कैरेमल कस्टर्ड बनाया था.
Oh, you know, we haven't made that for ages. Hana, you must make it maybe
कैरेमल
today.
कस्टर्ड.
Yeah.
और वो मैं बहुत अच्छा बनाने लग गई थी, इतना अच्छा सेट हो जाता था. बनाने लगी, बहुत बनाती थी.
Oh, yeah. I haven't made actually. I don't even know if kids would like it because I haven't made it ever. Right, something to make. Okay, so Muniba asks, what is mace and nutmeg, and how do you use them fresh? So first of all, I've never seen a fresh
नहीं, कभी नहीं देखा.
nutmeg because obviously it probably doesn't grow in this country, and also as far as I think it's a fruit and we use the seed, which is nutmeg, and mace is the covering of the seed. So it's all used dried up. So I don't know if what you can do with the fresh ones. So sorry. Now, does your mom have a YouTube channel, mummy? You have a YouTube channel? Nahi?
नहीं
Somebody's saying ki, do you have? No, she doesn't have a YouTube channel. And I love your hair color. Which dye? No, it's natural. There's no dye, Barbara. Sorry, there's no dye here. Oh, 3 characteristics your mom loves about me. आपको मेरी चीजें पसंद है. और 3 which I love about you.
देखो, मुझे तो चेतना की सारी चीजें बहुत पसंद है.
Of course. So she likes all my characteristics. Anything specific you would like to say?
चिकन जाल फ्रेजी.
अरे नहीं, खाना नहीं, मेरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स.
अच्छा, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक.
हाँ, मेरी
मतलब तुम्हारी आदतें.
हाँ, वही.
आदतें ये हैं कि जो काम करना है फटाफट कर लेना.
I do everything quickly.
इंतजार नहीं करना किसी का, वेट नहीं करना.
Yeah, get it done over with. I can't be hanging around.
कुछ चीज मैसी नहीं रखनी.
I don't like mess. I can't work in mess. Good. That's a good one. I love about you again everything. Yeah, she's also quite tidy. I guess I get it from her, but yeah, she's quite tidy. I love that she's really still interested in like learning new things, and I love it. I absolutely love that, and I think, Arey mummy, I love you.
Love you too.
Oh, good. Okay, so that was Misbah. Thank you for the question. I wanted to ask, what part of India are you and your mum from? Oh, okay. So this is Kevin from South Florida. Hi, Kevin. So we are from Madhya Pradesh, which is central India, and we are from a small town called Jabalpur. Mel, yes, it's a question a lot of people have asked for her to share. Bhaiya, garam masala. You need to make the garam masala. Okay. After we shoot this, can we please make the garam masala? Guys, it's coming. I promise it's coming. मैं बार बार बोलती हूँ, yes, yes, I'll share. Okay, it's coming. Are there any foods you love to make and eat, but the rest of the family did not particularly enjoy? ऐसा था जो हम लोग खाते थे, but maybe नीति और अल्पा को नहीं पसंद था, या something like that.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. सब बच्चे सब.
They liked करेला.
करेला, हाँ, करेला नहीं खाते थे.
I loved करेला.
चेतना को करेले पसंद थे.
हाँ, करेला, which is bitter gourd. Recipe on the channel. What country would you like to visit for a food tour? God, that's a great question. I would love to go to so many countries. I have been to Italy, but I want to go for a proper food tour. I want to really go to Sri Lanka. To be extremely honest, I want to go to India, to so many places I have not been to for specific food, trying food. So yeah, the list goes on. Your favorite dish to cook together? क्या बनाए हम साथ में, क्या बनाते हैं?
बहुत सारी चीजें बनाते हैं साथ में.
Actually. Chaat we like. उस दिन ही तो बनाई थी भेल. Yeah, we just made भेल yesterday. We love it.
Papdi chaat.
Oh yes, papdi chaat. According to you, very good question. What according to you is one ingredient that completes an Indian dish? एक ingredient जो Indian dish को पूरा करता है. मेरे हिसाब से my thing is, I think fresh coriander leaves, धनिए के पत्ते. That kind of completes the
पूरा फूड उसमें आता.
हाँ. Any dish,
yes.
You can add it to parathe, you can add it to curries, you can add it to sabji, you can add it to rice.
Correct.
Okay. With all that yummy food you make, will you adopt me? Okay. Right, moving on. Tips and tricks to make Indian cooking quicker. Have you not got my book, Chetna's Healthy Indian? All the recipes are really quick. Sorry. What age did I start learning to cook? Kumar family asks. कुमार फैमिली ने पूछा है कब, किस एज में मैंने कुकिंग स्टार्ट की. याद थोड़ी है यार.
7th, 8th, 9th.
So that's how many years?
14,
12,
15.
13. So when I was a teenager. Okay, very interesting question, Rachel. What are some cooking techniques and tips you disagree with each other on? So we did this video of lachha paratha, yaad hai last time kiya tha. And then she had a different technique to fold the paratha and I had a totally different technique. So I think that was quite a fun video. Other than that, क्या अलग से बनाते हैं हम लोग जो सेम चीज़ आप अलग बनाते हो?
कुछ नहीं अलग से बनता. अब तो इसके बच्चे भी कहते हैं कि नानी का और मम्मा का टेस्ट एक है.
Even my kids say that our food tastes the same. So not really too much. Okay, so what's good first dish to try when diving into cooking Indian food? Actually, पहला चीज़ क्या जो cooking नहीं करता Indian food वो क्या बनाए पहले start करते हुए easy. मेरे हिसाब से
आलू का पराठा.
आलू stuffed paratha is really good, and also I think तड़का दाल.
दाल तड़का. हाँ.
Tadka dal is really good and it tastes amazing. So easy that anyone can make it. Why does the roti dough become hard?
अब ये तो इधर यूके में तो आटा ही ऐसा आता है. हम लोगों के उधर इंडिया में ऐसा आटा नहीं होता. वैसे भी आप जब आटा गूंदो तो उसमें लास्ट में थोड़ा सा तेल या बटर या घी लगा लो और उसको अच्छे से मैश करके रखो तो फिर इतना हार्ड नहीं होता.
Okay, so once you made the dough, put a bit of ghee or oil or butter, preferably ghee, and just knead it like she said, and then it won't go that hard. Try it and let me know how it goes. That when I make paneer, it doesn't come out good. It turns out into weird pieces and it's not whole. Tricks of making good paneer. First of all, the recipe is on the channel, but I think you have to leave it overnight.
हाँ, उसको जैसे बनाते हैं वैसे ही नहीं कट करिए. उसको थोड़ी देर के लिए मतलब ओवरनाइट रखिए या 2-4 घंटे के लिए फ्रिज में रख दीजिए. उसके बाद में उसको काटिए तब उसके पीस ठीक कटते हैं.
Yes, so basically I would say leave it to set in the fridge before you cut anything. How to make ghee at home, recipes on the channel, guys. Please check it out. Right. Okay, so there is Kitur Sachi asking, who's the better cook? कौन है better cook? आप या मैं? चेतना. Okay, that was a very tricky question and I am going to wrap it up with that last question. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you've enjoyed our question answer session. If you have any questions, always feel free to leave a comment in my videos, and I do try and answer all of them personally. So thank you so much. That was really good fun. Yeah. Thanks. Bye.